Hi, good evening, welcome back to sharegiants. Now we'll see end of the day market report. First we will see how US market performed overnight, then we will see how Asian markets performed. Dow Jones on Friday made a high of 15,231, gaining almost 111 points. Nasdaq gained 31 points and closed at 3,791. Whereas S&P 500 gained 10 points and closed at 1,703. Asian markets are mixed, whereas Nikkei gained 210 points, Hang Seng gained 267 points, Kospi lost 4 points, Taiwan lost 75 points, Shanghai gained 9 points, and Straits Times lost 14 points. Whereas Sensex today gained 78 points and closed at 20,607. Nifty gained 16 points and closed above 6,100, almost at 6,112. We'll see about intraday movements, how Nifty and Sensex moved. Sensex opened at 20,534 and made a high of 20,645 and a low of 20,497. Whereas Nifty opened at 6,093 and made a high of 6,124 and a low of 6,082. It opened at 6,090 and made a high of 6,122.95 almost by 10 o'clock. By 12:10 it started to fall and we made a low of 6,088. Then slowly and steadily market stabilized and closed above 6,100, almost at 6,112. Today, WPI inflation came, which is above the street expectation month on month. It came at 6.46 versus 6.1%. There is a slight sell-off when the inflation data came at 12 o'clock. Today, we'll see on sectoral gain, capital goods, consumer durables, FMCG, healthcare and metals all closed in red, whereas BSE auto, bank, IT, oil and gas, small cap, mid cap gained. Top gainers in Nifty are TCS gained 4%, Ambuja Cements gained 2.8%, Wipro gained 2.6%, ACC gained 2.3% and Infosys gained close to 1.5%. Whereas losers, Hindalco lost 3%, Asian Paints lost 2.9%, Tata Steel lost 2%, GAIL lost close to 1.8%, and Cipla lost close to 1.7%. Outside Nifty, Lakshmi Vilas Bank gained 20%, Thirumalai Chemicals gained 20%, Karnataka Bank gained 17%, Garden Silks gained 16% and Axel Frontline gained 12%. Outside Nifty, Astra Microwave lost 7%, Carrier Point lost 6%, TRF lost 6%, Vanbury lost 6% and Repro India lost 6%. Total number of advanced decline of the number of scrips, almost 1,576 scrips advanced, whereas decline is almost 1,460 scrips and unchanged is close to 669 scrips. Today rupee lost almost against all the currencies for almost 47 paisa against the dollar and closed at 61 rupee 54 paisa, and it lost 85 paisa against euro and closed at 83 rupee 46 paisa. Against pound it lost close to 108 paisa and closed at 98 rupees 38 paisa. Right now Brent crude is trading around $110.43, almost losing 85 cents. Whereas gold gained close to 2.3% and trading around 29,000. Silver is trading around 47,884, gaining around 2%. Whereas natural gas gained almost 4 rupee 30 paisa and trading around 235 rupees 30 paisa. Right now all the European markets are mixed. The DAX lost 23 points and trading around 8,700. CAC lost 10 points and trading around 4,209. Whereas FTSE gained 3 points and trading around 6,491. Now we will see about how our calls performed today. We are given 3 buy calls and 3 sell calls. First we will see how our sell calls performed. Hindalco made a high of 113. From there it started to came down and it made a low of 109 rupee 8 paisa, which giving you a gain of 2.8%. Whereas Sisagova made a high of 186 rupee 70 paisa. From there it came down to 182 rupee 80 paisa, giving you a gain of 2%. And Sun Pharma shorting call made a high of 632.50 and it started to come down and it came down to a low of 624, giving you a gain of 1.34%. Hindalco short given you a gain of 2.8%, Sisagova short given you a gain of 2%, and Sun Pharma short given you a gain of 1.3%. Whereas buying calls or weekly buying calls, we have given ICICI Bank, it made a low of 989 rupees 90 paisa and it made a high of 1004 rupee 90 paisa, giving you a gain of 1.4%. Bank of Baroda, which made a low of 564, from there it started to go up and made a high of 580 rupees, giving you a gain of 2.7%. Whereas Larsen and Toubro made a low of 880 rupees 50 paisa and moved towards 894 rupees 15 paisa, giving you a gain of 1.53%. Today almost all the calls given you anywhere gain between 1.5 to 2.5%. For more, visit our website www.sharegiant.com, or you can post your queries in YouTube itself. Thank you.